Shrimp scampi is yet another example of resourceful immigrants adapting their native techniques to American ingredients. Shrimp scampi is an Italian-American dish featuring shrimp sautéed with lots of garlic and white wine. It became popular in the U.S. in the 1920s. The term scampi itself refers to langoustines, small lobster-like shellfish from the northern Atlantic. A famous Venetian dish called spaghetti alla busara features langoustines with pasta and tomatoes. But langoustines are not widely available in the U.S., so those Italian immigrants swapped the langoustines for more readily available shrimp. The sauce has proved so popular that now it appears on restaurant menus alongside other items like fish, chicken, and even cauliflower. And at Cook's Country, we created our own take using chicken.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.